Is your Buick Enclave key fob not working from far away? It probably needs a new battery. This video shows you how to easily replace the battery in your 2018-2024 Buick Enclave key fob, saving you time and money compared to going to the dealership. The process is straightforward and takes about 5 to 10 minutes. The Buick Enclave key fob uses radio frequency (RF) signals to communicate with your vehicle. The battery powers the transmission of these signals, which enables functions like locking, unlocking doors, and starting the engine. A weak battery results in reduced range and delayed responses. The standard battery is a 3-volt CR2032 lithium coin cell battery. To replace the battery, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a key fob opening tool. A new CR2032 battery is required. Optionally, use a battery tester to check the new battery's voltage. All tools and parts are easily accessible and available online for as little as $5 to $15. Locate the small release button or seam on the side of your key fob. Use the flathead screwdriver or key fob opening tool to gently pry open the fob casing. Be careful not to scratch the plastic. If your fob has a physical key blade, make sure it's not damaged. Once the fob is open, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery. Take note of the battery's orientation. The positive plus side should usually be facing up. This is crucial for installing the new battery correctly. Now insert the new CR2032 battery into the compartment. Make sure the positive side faces up for correct polarity. Press the battery firmly into place to ensure it is securely seated. Carefully snap the key fob casing back together until it clicks shut. Once closed, test the fob by locking and unlocking your vehicle. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation and ensure it's properly seated. Always work in a well-lit area to avoid losing small parts. A clear workspace prevents losing tiny components like the battery or springs. If you encounter issues, double-check the battery's polarity and ensure the fob is securely closed. Incorrect polarity can prevent the fob from working, while a loose closure may cause connectivity problems. Newer key fobs are trending towards rechargeable batteries and smartphone integration, reducing the need for physical battery replacements. However, for your 2018-2024 Enclave, this DIY battery replacement remains essential. Remember, this simple fix can save you a lot of money compared to dealership costs. By following these tips and troubleshooting steps, you'll keep your Buick Enclave key fob working reliably.